Welcome to English 1102, second semester of the composition sequence at College of DuPage. You're going to be working on this class in the first 5-week semester of summer 2020, and so we have a very brief and intense 5-week session to complete the work of this class. I'm going to do a brief walkthrough of this menu to help you begin to navigate the course. I'd encourage you to play around with this menu and get familiar with the tabs that are here and the work contained within them so that you find yourself doing the assignments and working in a timely way. So here you can see announcements. These will come to you via email as well as being posted here. Another tab to look at immediately is the syllabus, and here you can see the syllabus lays out the basic work that you will be doing and is a document that you can use if you transfer to another institution and want to show the work that you have done here. You have basic information about the course description. Here you have course objectives, which are departmental, and then some more specific information about me, about the books and materials you will need for this class, about my way of evaluating. And really, there's quite a bit of material in the syllabus, and I suggest that you spend some time getting familiar with it. Course guidelines, you will see information on how to post in the discussion board, how to submit your work, many important details. So this is a tab for you to spend some time in. The instructor, you'll have information for contacting me, and I'd like you to note that the email here, Edelman2, has that 2 in it. At cod.edu. That is an email that I keep for student email only, and if you make sure to send it to me there, you will get a swift reply from me. If you don't send it there, it will be buried under a lot of other email, and I will tell you and ask you to please resubmit it to Edelman2. So to avoid that delay, just make sure you direct all email inquiry to that for-class email. Then another important tab here, due dates. If you click on that, you will see that we have 15 units of work that we are going to be doing in a mere 5 weeks. And so we'll be going through a couple of units a week at the beginning, and really throughout the course we will maintain a very brisk pace. So please note there are some stretches of the class where you're turning in some piece of work, a manageable piece of work, on a daily basis. So there's really no time in this 5 weeks to get behind. So keep that in mind. Look at the due dates, print this out if you need to, just keep track of that. Course units, if you click on to the course units, you will see the work for all 15 classes laid out for you, all 15 units. You click on unit 1 and it will take you to the various components of unit 1. Same for every other unit in the class. Click on the unit link and you will see the work that you need to do. Unit 1 blog, you'll get started on that right away. That's an introductory blog. After that, there are discussion boards. If you click on these, you will see that they are all set up for you from discussion board 1 all the way through the last one in 9 to go ahead and contribute to the discussion board conversation that we're having. If you look in Office Hours Ultra Collaborate, you will see that I have set up a session. They are recurring every Wednesday between 10 and 12, 10 a.m. and 12 noon, and you should be able to hop in or hop out at any point during those 2 hours. I may change the hours if I see that they're not working, but that will be one way for you to have a kind of face-to-face discussion with me about anything that you want to talk about. That will be starting Wednesday, the 27th. So those are some of the most important components of the class. Again, I'd encourage you to take your mouse, jump around, get familiar with these, and I look forward very much to starting work with you in English 1102 and seeing what kind of research projects you guys come up with. So here's to a good semester, first summer semester, summer 2020, English 1102.